Okay, so right now we are officially inside the course, and the first thing you'd want to do is simply download the ebook, or you could download the audiobook so that way you can both read and listen, which is really best. But if you don't have too much time and you just want to listen in your car as you're driving to and from work, I highly recommend that because that's how I get most of my books in. So if you do read it though, here is what the ebook is going to look like. Here is some of the contents inside. So as you can see, we have step 1, understanding your local market. 2, how much is your home actually worth. 3, how to do a comparative market analysis. So on and so forth. There's going to be 5 steps. All you do is you follow along. You're going to read that chapter and immediately take action. And each one of these steps, when we go back to the course, there's going to be videos that are going to show you and guide you on what you need to do. And I'm going to break that down a little bit more in a minute because I want to show you I also have a content bundle. In the content bundle, you'll have things like easy access website links. This is going to make your life super easy, super convenient, so that way everything is already laid out for you. We have a step-by-step selling checklist. The checklist, because you can't see it here, is going to look like this. Every single action that you need to take throughout the transaction is going to be laid out there, and as you complete it, you'll just simply check it off. Then I'm going to give you the exact property brochures that I utilize when I'm working with my clients, as well as a feature sheet, so that way you can list all of the updates and improvements that you've done to improve your house over the years. We have the equal opportunity housing logo, the open house sign-in sheets, the exact one that I use. And then if the market is really strong and you have multiple offers, here's a multiple offer spreadsheet, both in Excel as well as a fillable PDF document. That way, if you do have multiple offers, you can easily break down each offer and navigate which one's best and just quickly categorize them. So that's very helpful when you have 10, 15, 20 offers. Now, as we jump into this thing with the videos, you're going to see the first video is understanding the art and science of the CMA. There's a lot to a CMA, so I want to give you as much information as I possibly can to make it as easy for you as possible, so that way you can come to a compelling price from the start, because that really sets you up for success. If you get that wrong, you're starting on a tough track. Then we're going to actually go into Zillow. I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to do the CMA on there. Now, step 2 is pretty much just a text overview. There isn't any videos that need to be shown in that step. Step 3 is the big marketing bulk. So how to edit the property brochures and feature sheet. And I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do all that. Keep it really simple. So even if you're not technical at all, I made this with my parents in mind. And really, I want to make this something that anybody can pick up and take advantage of. So that's why I have a lot of these guided videos that are just going to break everything down. How to avoid spam calls, how to utilize an electronic signature platform. That way you could sign all of your contracts, your disclosures, make any updates or edits that you need to. How to create a buyer showing calendar, so that way all of your buyers that are interested can simply schedule or request their showing on this calendar, and then you could either approve or deny them. And then you could set up the time blocks that you're available. This video is how to create a clickable link for your listing, because you're going to need to be able to put that link, that calendar link, on to your Zillow listing. And I'm going to teach you exactly how to create a Zillow listing so that way it looks good and you're not confused on listing your home for sale. Step 4 is going to be understanding the real estate contracts. Now, of course, every state is going to look a little bit different, but the 5 key principles in a contract remain the same despite your state that you're in. Now, this is our Illinois multi-board residential real estate contract 8.0. So if you live in Illinois, woo, woohoo! This is going to be a direct reflection of the contract that you're going to be seeing. This next video is going to be on the property disclosures, because everybody needs to fill out their disclosures and you want to make sure that you fill them out correctly. So that's what that is for. And of course, the book is going to go into a deep dive on all of this information. Essentially, this course right here, all these videos are complementary to the book. You're going to read the step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. They're all about 20 pages each. And then if there's videos attached to it, that goes into the exact tutorial and immediately take action after each step. It should be something that's super simple, super easy, and something that you can just knock out in a quick sitting. I don't want you to have to study up on this for too long. I want you to immediately take action, because you want this to be more of a breeze, and that's why you purchased the course. And then step 5, of course, is you're almost at the finish line at this point, and yeah, you're celebrating right now. All right, as you can see, the course is easy, it's straightforward, it's no BS, and it gives you everything that you need to succeed. You really should have no excuses for not being able to sell your home for max profits after you finish up. Now, I want to give you one more free video. It's going to be a video from inside the course, so you can see exactly how I break things down and to see if that resonates with you and you would get value from the course. Now, if you're somebody who would really benefit from the ebook, audiobook, and all the information inside the content bundle, but you don't need all the video walkthroughs because you feel comfortable with technology, then I'm going to leave a link for just that as well, and you can pick that up. So I'll see you somewhere inside the course, or if you read the book, I'll see you there. So enjoy the rest of your day, and Alec out.